Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So as you can see by the title, I'm going to show you how I installed this gorgeous half wig. Now this was so easy to do and you could get so many different looks out of it, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so today's wig is from HerGivenHair and I'm so excited to try this wig, and I just love their packaging. But when you open it, you're going to get your wig along with some other goodies, including a product description note. This is a 3-in-1 half wig, 20 inches. This is their 3B3C curly texture, natural hair color, and it's one cap fits all, and it comes with 4 clips as you can see. And they also put some extra clips just in case, along with 2 elastic bands for extra security and a drawstring and a cute little satin bag to store your wig. And I just love that they give you this little instructions pamphlet with their other wigs and stuff and how to do it. But today we're going for the half wig. And I know many people wonder, well, you have so much natural hair, why wear a wig? When I was on my healthy hair journey, wigs was my savior. It's one of the best protection hairstyles you can do. You literally just leave your hair alone, and it's so much easier and quicker to switch up your look without overly manipulating your natural hair. And my hair is very fragile to breakage, so wearing styles where my natural hair is put up throughout the weeks is so much more easier and healthier for my hair. So the first look I'm going for with this half wig is a half up, half down. So I part my hair in half, and this back section of my hair, I just went and threw it in a bun. That was just so much more quicker for me. You can go ahead and braid down that back section if you want to, but I just like to throw it in a bun. It's so much more quicker. And as you can see, I'm just taking this half wig and clipping those clips right underneath my natural hair. And then I'm going to take this drawstring to secure it and make it a little more tight. And just like that, guys, we have our half wig installed in our hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the top portion of my hair and just brush that down and add a little mousse just to slick it down and give it some shine. And guys, I'm going to go ahead and incorporate some of the hair from the wig into the top portion of my hair for 2 reasons. One, because it's going to go ahead and hide that part so you don't see the half wig just sitting on the back of your hair, and also it's going to blend my natural hair texture and the texture of the wig all together seamlessly. It just looks so much more natural. So I'm going to take a little bit of that mousse and go ahead and lay my edges. And this style is just so quick and easy to do. I'm absolutely obsessed. This is probably one of my most favorite protective hairstyles. I typically just wear a bun with my natural hair, but when I want to switch my look up and I want something a little extra, or I have something planned, and this is also great for vacation because you could switch the look up so much, and so easily. I just love the whole idea of this half wig, and it looks so natural, guys. Look at this. You can't tell me that's not my hair. And don't let me wet it. We go do that too. We go ahead and wet it. But first, I'm going to take it off and we go switch it up and go to the next look. So for this next look, I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair down with some water so I could slick it back into a low bun. And like I said, guys, you could braid your natural hair down. That's actually a little better because your wig will lay way more flat, and also your hair is more protected and detangled. But this is just a style I do temporarily, like for the day or so. So it's no need for me to go ahead and braid my hair down because I do wear my natural hair a lot as well. And because this wig is a curly wig, I could low-key get away with wearing a bun in the back because the hair is already so big, so you won't even be able to tell there's a bun. But if it was straight hair or a looser curl pattern, I would definitely recommend braiding your hair down. So for this next style, we're just going to go ahead and throw this half wig onto our hair just like that. But I'm not bringing it all the way to the front of my hairline. I'm bringing it about an inch or 2 back because I want my natural hair to show in the front. And then I'm just going to tighten it up with that drawstring in the back just to secure it. And now I'm debating which headband I want, but I went ahead and chose the white headband because it just gave that cute schoolgirl innocent look. And I just love this. You can't tell me this is not my hair, y'all. This looks so natural. But I want to see what it look like when it's wet. So I'm going to go ahead and spray it down with some water. So now that I wet it down with some water, I'm just going to take a little mousse and go ahead and run that through the hair. And guys, when I say this hair was so soft and felt so natural, like look how gorgeous this hair looks. And I love how full it is. It is a 20-inch wig, but it's 185 grams. Like it's just so full and natural looking. And one thing I love about these 3-in-1 half wigs is the versatility of them. Like there's so many styles you can do. Like look how cute and natural this is. But for the next style, we're going to keep this wig in the same place and just bring out a few little curly pieces. I brought out 4 pieces, 2 in the front and 2 on the side, and switched out those headbands, and boom, you have a whole nother look. So I'm just going to add a little mousse to the curls in the front just to define them a little bit more. And look how pretty this is. You could leave it down, you could throw it in a bun, but those are 2 more hairstyles right there. I am just so in love with this, but we're going to add one more hairstyle, guys. Like I'm telling you, there's so many styles you can get out of this one wig. Like this should be a 10-in-1 half wig. So for the next style, I'm just leaving my hair in that low bun, and I'm just clipping this half wig on and doing a low ponytail, guys. And I took a little bit of the hair from the half wig and wrapping it around the ponytail so it could all blend nice and seamlessly. And there you have it. You have one more hairstyle. And I love the low ponytail look. It looks so like cute, and it's giving island girl. And I just love that I could take this wig off at nighttime. Like you don't have to sleep with the wig on your head, and you could just make a whole new style within 5 to 10 minutes. The convenience of this wig is everything. But if you guys loved this video, leave a comment down below and leave a thumbs up. Mwah.